Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. As you can see here, we have our little kitty cat. But I wanted to talk to you, go ahead, you can go now, Jay. Talk to you about hardwood floors and pets. So I get asked often, what's the best flooring for a pet in a kitchen area or things like that. So all flooring has pros and cons, but I just want to talk about hardwood today. So if you want to do hardwood and say you have like a cat, it's usually fine. But if you have like a really big dog, I just highly recommend that you clip their nails often and just keep them trimmed, or if they're a digger, because that can lead to more scratching and things like that. If you're really concerned about, like, you have a really big dog but you like that wood look, a really good option is a nice heavy duty laminate wood. That looks good. The styles and colors and that look really pretty now and look like the real thing. But just be careful with real hardwood floors with big dogs and nails. So if you have any questions, please just comment below. Feel free to share this, like it, and we'll get back to you. Thanks so much.